In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Google Docs. Have you ever received a PDF that you needed to amend but weren't sure how to go about it? With Google's tools, this task becomes a breeze, allowing you to edit and share your PDF documents with ease. To kick things off, let's first open Google Drive, the central hub of your Google account where all your files are stored, whether they're documents, sheets, presentations, or in our case, PDFs. Once you have Google Drive open, the first step is to upload your PDF file. You can do this by either dragging the file from your computer directly into the browser window or by clicking on the New button, selecting File Upload, and then choosing your PDF. This file will then upload and appear in your list of documents. Now locate your newly uploaded PDF in Google Drive and click on it to highlight the file. This will bring up a preview, but for our purposes today, do not open it in full screen just yet. Instead, we're going to move to the next step. With your PDF file highlighted, you should see additional options at the top of your Google Drive interface. Here, you're going to right-click on the file, which will pop up a context menu perfect for choosing how you want to open it. In that context menu, you'll find an option labeled Open With. Hover over or click this to reveal a further list of applications you can use to open your PDF. What we're looking for in this list is Google Docs. By clicking on Google Docs, Google Drive instantly converts your PDF into an editable Google Doc. Keep in mind that the formatting might change slightly, especially if your PDF contains images or intricate layouts. Google tries its best to keep it close to the original, but minor adjustments may be needed. In just these few simple steps, you've now got your PDF open as an editable document within Google Docs. From here, you can edit the text, format it, and even add images or charts as needed, just as you would in any standard document file. When you're finished with your editing, you can keep the file within Google Docs, print it, or export it back as a PDF, ensuring that it's just as you need it to be for sharing or archiving. And that wraps up our Google Docs tutorial on how to edit a PDF. You've now equipped yourself with a valuable skill that simplifies PDF editing, eliminating the need for expensive software. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone in between, this technique can save you time and stress. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.